Hey friends, this is the unboxing and quick review of Alcatel Onetouch Fire C. This phone is exclusively sold on Flipkart for 1990 rupees, which is inclusive of shipping. So let's get started with the unboxing. In the front it displays its name, that is Alcatel Onetouch Fire C. Over here it says Firefox OS because it runs on Firefox OS version 1.3. Over here there's nothing. Over here it says it's got 3.5-inch display with HVGA resolution, edge network connectivity, 1.3 megapixel rear view camera, Wi-Fi. It has 256 MB internal storage and can be expanded up to 32 GB via SD card and a dual SIM slot. So let's proceed with the unboxing. We get the phone first. I'll keep it aside for a while. We have the warranty certificate, quick start guide, the earphones. These are the normal earphones without a button to start or end the call. A charger, that is 5 volt and 550 milliamp output, and a USB cable for data transfer and charging. I'll keep all of this aside. This is how phone looks. Phone is available in two colors, that is bluish black and dark chocolate. I've got the dark chocolate one. In the front you have the proximity sensor. Over here there is a capacitive button, which is the only button available on the screen. Over here there is nothing on this side. Behind you have 1.3 megapixel rear view camera, speaker, Alcatel Onetouch, the name is engraved. Over here you have volume rocker. On the top you have 3.5 mm jack and a power button. Down you have the USB slot. I have already inserted a SIM card and an SD card. So let's get started. It has got 1 GHz single core processor and 128 MB RAM. It also has a small LED over here which lights up when you are charging, and it also has G sensor. Let's unlock. Okay, this is the app tray. You can just hold and then drag on any app. You can put them wherever you want. Let's connect to Wi-Fi. This is the notification bar. This is Wi-Fi, data connection, Bluetooth, airplane mode, settings. I'll on Wi-Fi. Till then we'll see the settings. Settings looks very much alike like in the Android. It is available in 4 languages, that is English, Bangala, Hindi and Tamil. I'll choose English. Okay. Now you have games folder. To play any game offline, you need to download it. Otherwise you have to be online whenever you play the game. There is marketplace. You can shop for various apps over here. You don't actually have to go to the marketplace every time. Instead, there is this single window search option over here. You can type whatever you're thinking of, and then you'll get the contents and the apps related to it. For example, I'll type cricket. There you go. I have all the apps related to cricket over here. And this is the home button. A phone dialer. Then there is a phone book. You can sync and then you can import or export contacts. And this is messaging. The default browser is Firefox. Then you can multitask by long pressing the home button, or you can close it. Then the viewing angles are really good. Looking at the price tag. We also have the FM radio. The phone does lag a bit, but it is not because of the touch response. It is because of the low capacity of RAM. Let's test the camera. Okay. Now in the gallery option, you can filter it. There are various options. Like you can crop, you can adjust the brightness. This is the crop option, and so on. The YouTube app was pre-installed. Let's see a YouTube video.
मुझे मेरा पुत्र लेकर आया था 41 मेगापिक्सल फोन कनेडा से। बड़ा जूम शूम है जी इसमें। मेरी तो कुछ समझ
Okay,
में
so
नहीं
YouTube
आता।
works
क्या
great.
करूं मैं इसका?
There's a social app folder and Facebook and Connect A2, that is WhatsApp. Line was pre-installed. You can download various apps such as Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr and so on from the marketplace. So yeah, this is basically all about phone. I would term this phone as a basic smartphone entry level phone, and it is a phone which provides something more than the usual feature phones. And as for me, I have bought this for my grandmom. So thank you